In Adobe Photoshop, one of the easiest ways to add transparent texture to your designs is with Photoshop brushes. So let's first load some brushes. Let's go to Window Brushes, and then in the upper right corner of this little window, just click Import Brushes. And what I'm gonna do is load these Plastisol brushes. There's two versions in the Plastisol textures I sell. There's 2500 pixel brushes, and then there's 5000 pixel brushes. And if you're using Adobe CC or CS6, you can load the 5000 pixel brushes. Now we have 30 different brushes to use, and these textures will simulate cracked ink like an old vintage wash and worn tee. But let's go into our layers, and I've got each color in a separate layer here. And what we're going to want to do is select all those layers except for the background, and we're going to group them. And let's go to Layer, Layer Mask, Reveal All. And now let's select one of these textures and with our brush tool. And now what we want to do is let's click on our left bracket key until the texture is small enough for the design that we're working on. And all we're gonna do is just paint black. Now make sure it's 100% black. This is an RGB file and it's 100% black. We're gonna paint black using that texture in this layer mask. So make sure this layer mask is highlighted right here, and just click once to apply it. Now, if we turn off the background, you'll see that that texture is transparent. So that's all you need to do to add texture to your designs in Photoshop.